Wiggadoo.
The dew's off, so learn today. In a lab where potions play. Bubbles bounce and test tubes zoom. Let's discover with a boom, boom, boom. Color stays on floating stuff. One experiment's not enough. Put on your coat, it's time to go to the silly lab, let's start the show. Red and yellow turn to gold. Mix them up, be bright and bold. Blue with red, that makes it pop. Purple swirls that never stop. Colors swirl and colors sing. Dr. Duck does everything. In the lab we mix and play. We learn and laugh the Wiggadoo way. Add a dash and give a pour. Hear that fizzy, bubbling roar. Watch it rise, then watch it fall. It's the fizziest fun of all. It's not magic, just a trick. Science makes it fizz so quick. Soda, bubbles, vinegar blast. Wiggadoo loves learning fast. Plop it in, now what do you think? Will it float or will it sink? Try a cup, a spoon, a boat. Some go under, some just float. Big or small, heavy or light. Watch them fall or stay upright. Science helps us make a guess, and Wiggadoo says science is the best. Stick with me, I've got a plan. A magnet strong in Wiggadoo's hand. Spoons go busy and keys go snap. But bananas? Nope, no magnet trap. Metal stick and plastics fly. Try and guess, go on, don't be shy. Magnets pull in mystery things with clings and sings and sing-a-lings. One small push, a marble rolls onto ramps and bouncy poles. Domino dance, a slippy slide. Boom, a slime surprise inside. Step by step, each thing reacts. A bouncing ball, a tunnel track. Science shows us cause and zoom, and ends in slime that goes kaboom. We mixed up colors, fizzy fun. We saw what floats and how things run. Magnets stick and slime goes splat. Who knew science was cool like that? In the lab we jump and cheer, learning things all through the year. Wiggadoo says that's a wrap. Give yourself a science clap, clap, clap. If you like our science play, click subscribe and shout hooray. More to learn and more to do. Just come back to Wiggadoo.